This is the next part of David building the little box wooden wagon.
Yep. This is the interesting part.
Tell everybody what you're doing.
So, I'm going to get these all, so these holes here. Then I'm going to put all the running gear on.
I was wondering what those holes were for.
That's for the running gear. I'm doing pretty good for somebody who's only half paying attention to the directions. Okay. Now then. Alright. Little Joni.
Thirsty.
Little Joni's like, meow, meow, meow.
I'm coming, Joni.
She's such a baby. Ah.
It's a building time. It's a building time.
Now. Two washers, one more washer, two more of these. Okay. Now.
Why don't you tell us what you're doing?
Well, I was basically getting the washers and the nuts together because I'm putting the handle end on. You know what? I think I'll do the back wheels first instead.
There's the back wheels.
Yeah, I'm going to do the back wheels first instead.
David took the rod and slipped that U thing on it and those two little things in the wheels.
Okay. Because I think this one will be easier. And it might make the other end easier too. Okay. Now. Yeah, like which basically like how you sort of put this one on, I basically done the other four because to save you some you know some boredom and watching or same repetitive thing over and over again. Sheesh. All right. Now. Okay, now that I've dropped it, now I'll be able to put it on. See? Alright. Now, the front ones.
Maybe I should ask him to come over and help with the backyard.
No. Alright.
They're looking for something to do because they're bored.
Okay. Well, obvious reasons is obvious why, so, you know, no need to say it because somebody might be watching this in the future. But we suffice to say, we ain't really got anything for anybody to do right now, considering I recently took care of the backyard. Alfred.
I was going to listen to it this morning.
Oh, goodness. There.
That's a washer.
That's my nut. Fell off.
It's a nutty nut.
Yep. Okay. so. Catch that one. Alright. Now, snug the back ones. Okay, that's that snugged up. Well, I got it like this. Might as well put the full hubcap on.
Yeah.
All right.
That's what we've used this a bit. Ain't gonna look this pretty. Only because it's new.
That looks all right. All right.
Very pretty.
Back in there. All right. There, it backed up a little bit. All right. Now to try to get. Okay. All right. Yeah, drill, fall over, why don't you? Alright.
I see little red wagons with adults putting their laundry baskets in there, going to the laundromat and in, walking down to grocery stores and putting groceries in and walking back. All kinds of usage these little things have nowadays.
Well, it's for us to say. Okay. Get it back on there.
There's like a little bit of a Americana history. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
I never looked into the history of the little red wagon.
It's like I'm trying to relax here and listen to my owners do something. I don't want to hear a car alarm. Alright.
That's my boy.
He's only like half trying to bark or growl. He's like, I'm old. Don't disturb my rest. Come on, get in there.
Why don't you tell us what you're trying to do?
Well, I'm trying to get the. There it is. Sorry, I was kind of concentrating. I was trying to get that screw through both the holes. Alright, now. Alright.
Well, we're not going to be able to try to see if Ren can ride in it today. It's too dark. We'll have to wait till tomorrow.
Well.
We can try to see if we can get him to sit in it. If we put a blanket in there, he might.
Probably.
Hi, Ren.
Okay.
Hello, Ren.
Alright. cross-threaded. Alright, let's try to flip it over, have it upside down. That's definitely backwards. Alright, that should be forwards then. I'm literally doing this by feel, so I'm kind of trying to concentrate here. On. There we go. That was a pain.
Such a small section. It's hard for me to get a good view of the camera, but I did try.
Yeah, I know. Heck, think about it's like with my big hands. Basically, what I was doing with the other one parallel to this one. All right. Oh, that was an ordeal. That last one was. All right.
Is that it completed?
Oh, actually, I have to put the faux covers on these other wheels here.
Oh, okay.
All right. That one. That's that one. And now that one. Now it's done.
There it is, a little red wagon.
Faux covers and all. Excuse me.
Let's see how easy it is to pull. Yeah, it's real easy. And there it is. The little red wagon assembled. The little box wooden wagon assembled by none other than David Antilla. And a wonderful job he did of it too.
Just out of curiosity. See how full the trash will make it. That it came in. Oh, so gotta get the paper too. Okay, there's the paper. Okay. Now the box. The box too, because that's what came in it.
We're gonna actually put all the trash in the box and take it out.
Not very full, is it?
No.
Okay, thank you for watching. As always, peace out. I'm gonna put my tools up and we'll cool off.